Tout jet riche. Welt, nearly everyone want it, buffet people actually know what they need to do in order to get it. Becoming rich. Tac a combination of luck, skill, en patience. To get rich, you'll need to set yourself on a path tally to a monetarily enriching carré, tenant the money you earn wisely by investing it, saving it, en reducing your living expense. Getting rich is easy, but without the bit of perseverance and skillful decision making, is definitely possible. Investing. Pu money into stock market. Invest money in stock, bon, or the vehicle of investment will give you an annual return on investment, roi, great nous to sustain you in your retirement. For instance, if you have $1 million. Invested en you get a reliable 7% roi, t'as $700,000 per year, les inflations. Dont jet anti-set bid trader who tell you easy to make a kickbuck. Buying and selling dozen of stock every day essentially gambling. If you make some bad trade, which is unbelievably easy to do, you can lose a lot of money. In a good way to get rich. Instead, learn to invest for the long run. Ose good stock with solid fundamental and excellent leadership in industry are primed for future growth. Then lay your stock see. Don't do anything with it. Let it vite to PS. And on. If you invest wisely, you should do very well with him. Save money for retirement. Keep saving. It same time people are saving adequately for retirement. Some felt manœuvrable to retire. Tax advantage of tax deferred retirement plan suchaira en 401 KS. Te tax treatum. Te embody will help you save fast for retirement. Don't pull your trust in social security. Will ya good bet ta social security will continue to work for the next 20 or so year. Some data suggest if Congress de un radically altered system, it be raising tax or reducing benefit, social security on available in equal form. It probable, however, ta Congress will act to fix social security. In an event, social security one neve deux aligné to beton les ressources for retiring. Ser la teir. Ta make alt more important à use avant invest for the future. 1. Invest in a rotira. A rotire a retirement à coût to wish working individual can contributant annual sum of $5,500. Ta money iten invested en gatter compound interest. If you wait until retirement age to take money out of your rotira, the money you withdraw isn't taxed, because it was taxed at the time you first earned it. Contribute to a 401k à coin. Ti en à coin set to be your employee or pro-taxed contribution can be invested. Your employee mouse to match all or part of your contribution. Ti probably the closest thing you'll get to free money in your life. Contribute à list en nous to take full advantage of the match. Invest in or à l'estate. Relatively stable asset rental property, or potential development land in steadily growing area a good way to build. A 8 ans investment, there are no guarantee. Many people, however, have done quite well with à l'estate. Such investment are likely to appreciate in value over time. For example, some people think an apartment in Manhattan is almost guaranteed to increase in value over a 5-year period. Invest your time. For example, you might like having a free time, so you give yourself a favor to do nothing. But if you were to invest those favors to getting rich, you could work toward having 20 years of free time, 24 hours day, with early retirement. What can you give up now in exchange for being rich latte? Investment advisor d'avance. Like totally radio audience, live like no one else today so that you can live like no one else tomorrow. Avoir purchase tar likely to depreciate rapidly. Spending 500 000 $ on Akari some team considered a waste because Ilikolitaito ombo ort alf tamush in 5 year, regardless of how much work you put into it. Asuna. You drive a new car of low, it de prociat above 20% 25% in value en continue to do so a year you own it. 2. Tamak buing a car a very important financial decision. Don't spend money on stupid stuff. I are en ug making a living. But I are en influent thing you spend. You are earn cash on our financial black hole. Revaluate thing you spend money on. Try to figure out what they are truly worth it. There are something you probably don't want to spend a much money on if you plan on becoming rich. Casino en lottery ticket. The lucky fait mag money. The rest of us lose it. Vis such a cigarette. Ivis smoker quand only watch sermon go up in smoke. Je marcuplique candy at movie théâtre or drink a club. Tanning bout en plastique surgery. You can jet skin cancer for free ou zid if you leak. Endonose job en botox. Injection evelu cagoda promised? Lire no touage gracefully. Your no ton lion jetignol der. First class plan ticket. Why are you jetting for ta extra $1000? A haute toel en a noté 4 inch, 10.2 cm, off leg. Room? Invest ta money instead of throwing it away, en learn to see with the rest of us. Stay rich. I are to get rich, but even are they to stay rich. Your wealthy are going to be affected bit. Market, ante market IUPS on donne. If you get too comfortable when team are good, you'll quickly drop back to square on when market it a slump. If you get a promotion or a raise, or if your wag up a percentage point. Don't spend extra. Save it for when business is low and your wag don't 2 percentage point. Enrichme trug a carré. Excel academically. WTI a fourrir college or vocational training, some successful people pursue furté. Education bayon ichul. Interlistage of a carré, your employee have lit to le be wish to judge you buzzed. Your educational background. Ye grade usually lit to ye salary. Ose the right profession. Look a salary survey which indicate average annual income for specific profession. Your odd of getting Richard diminished if you pursue a career in teaching a opposite to a career in finance. There are some of the paying job in America. Doctor en surgeon. Anesthesiologiste Macao hoping $200,000 plus per year, 3. Petroleum engineer. Engineer WHO work with a all company can make a very good living. In most cases they make. Uber of $1,305,000 per year, 4. Attorney. Lawyer top out à just above $1,300,000 per year, making it a lucrative field if you can put into team. It manager en software engineer. If you're good at programming and with a computer, consider it very well. Compensated field. It manager regularly make $1,205,000 per year, 5. Reducing living expense. 3 extreme couponing. One of the best feeling in the world when you can get paid to take home stuff you regularly use. If you don't right, you can actually get paid to coupon. A worst, you'll save a fait extra buck you can tuck away for any day. A best, you'll get ton of free stuff and will be rich in the process. Buy in bulk. In not easiest way to shop, but usually the most efficient. If you can borrow or buy into a membership to a bulk retail like Costco, it can make all financial sense. In some cases, you can find brand product for salary discount. If you're hungry and you like chicken, buy for croquette chicken at Costco at end of the day, when they go on sale. Some team tail drop from $5 à $2.50, Manigne taillou jeta liste tenir timel fort à bout $1. Frezan chicken taillou don yat immédiately. Lirn tout can food. Up to 40% off Fodin America Ge to Ast before it yaten. Succulent piche, blueberry. En even mi cambe canet en stored for consumption latte. Be smart about fod taillou bui. Actually yatit. Food. Wasted money wasted. Reduce your utility bill. Electricity, ga, en OT utility quand déplie impact your monthly budget if you let them. So. Don. Be smart abou way to keep your home cool during te sommet en varme during oui te. You ma even consider. Investing in or building solar panel to channel te natural en ergiento electricity. Keep your utility low, en. Watch the money you save start to move 1. Saving money. Pay yourself first. Time before you go on blow your paycheck on a new pair of shore golf club you don't need. Pu money as in en account you don't touch. Doti every in you jet paid en what's your account gros. Mac a budget, en stick to it. Create a monthly budget a cover all of your basic expense en leave a little bit off. Fun money as it. Sticking be your budget en saving a list some money monty a good way to let ground work. For your effort to get rich. Downgrade your carouse. Could you make do with an apartment instead of house, or a romat instead of your own place? Could you buy a used car instead of a new one en use it more sparingly? Te zaral ouais tout ça va ton off. Money every month. Q expense. Look at way you frivolously spend money en retank everything. For example, avoir going to Starbucks. Every morning. T'as $4 you spend on designé coffee every morning comme out to $28 per week, or $1,460 over te course off. Air. Track down your expense. To soar your efficiency on cutting your expense, it is vital to keep track of them. Pick on off. Te numéro expense tracking application te rare around, like money love or mi int, en record every single penny ta. Ge in and out of your wallet. After 3 months or so, you should be able to know or most of your money go en wakan. You do forta. Goin mortgage free. Refinance your home mortgage. Refinance to a lower rate or to a 15 year long instead of a 30 year long. T-way you only. Pay a fait extra $100 per month but you will save yourself much more in total interest. For example, à $2 millions mortgage on a 30 year long will cost you a noter $1,806,500 in interest payment, so you are actually paying a total of $3,806,500 over the course of 30 years. On totean, if you are willing to pay a fait extra $100 amount, for example, $350, be refinancing to a 15 year long, usually a low interest rate, you could pay your mortgage off in only 15 years, and the best part you would save yourself a whopping $1,203,700 in interest. Ta money in your pocket. Talk to a l'office about your option.